You might be rich, but this cat's richer than most humans. Here are 5 weird cat facts you probably didn't know. Number 4. Some cats are allergic to humans. Extremely rare. But it's true, usually triggered by our dandruff or smoke, perfume. Number 2. Cats purring can actually heal bones. Their purrs vibrate at 25 to 150 Hz, a frequency known to promote bone density and healing. Number 3. Cats often survive falls from great heights better than shorter drops, thanks to their reflex and posture. Number 5. Cats have an extra organ for smelling, the Jacobson's organ. They open their mouths and make a weird face to taste scents. And lastly, at number 1, a cat once inherited $13 million. An Italian cat named Tommaso became one of the richest pets after his owner passed.